Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Maths Made Easy with Pearl, and please, in case you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and also don't forget to like, share and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Today we have a question on the board. We have the square root of 3 root 3x equals 9, and we have to find the value of x. So I'm going to be walking you through the steps one after the other. Now let's dive into this. Solution. Now we have root 3 root 3x equals 9. Now you can see that this is a square root, so first we have to get rid of this square root, and to do that we take the square of both sides, we square both sides. So we square both sides to remove the square root so that the square cancels the square root, and we're left with 3 root 3x equals, now what's the square of 9? The square of 9 is 81. So now remember, we are looking for x in this question, so we are doing everything possible for x to stand alone. So now the next thing to do, we divide through by 3, so that 3 cancels 3, we are left with root 3x equals 81 divided by 3, that's 27. Now we are left with square root of 3x. Now what do we do again? We square both sides to get rid of the square root, so we square both sides, so the square cancels the root, and we're left with 3x equals, now this is 27. 27 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3, that's 3 times 3 9, 9 times 3 27, which is 3 raised to the power of 3 in index form. So we're going to be replacing 27 with 3 raised to the power of 3. This gives us 3 raised to the power of 3 all raised to the power of 2. Now if you remember our law of indices, that when you have a raised to the power of n all raised to the power of m, we do the power multiplication law, whereby we have this becomes a raised to the power of n m. The powers multiply each other, so the same thing applies here, so the power multiply themselves. So you have 3x equals 3 raised to the power of 2, 3 times 2, that's 6. Now you see that we are heading somewhere. Now the next thing to do here is to divide through by 3 for x to stand alone. Of course we're looking for x, so we divide through by 3, so that 3 cancels 3, we left with x equals, now 3, now this is 3 raised to the power of, let's say, 1. And if you remember our law of indices, where we also have, recall, if we have a raised to the power of n divided by a raised to the power of m. Now it's the same thing as we pick one of the bases, they're the same, and then we subtract the powers because we're dividing, so it becomes n minus m. So the same thing applies here. Now you see we have the same 3 raised to the power of 6, 3 raised to the power of 1, and we are dividing, so we also pick one of the base and then we subtract the powers. When we subtract the power, 6 minus 1, that's 5. So this gives us 3 raised to the power of 5. Now what is 3 raised to the power of 5? So this implies that x equals 3 raised to the power of 5 is 243. Now that's our answer. So now, in case you found this lesson helpful and useful, please do also like, share and also comment your thoughts in the comment section. Bye!
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester, got the future in sight.